Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. And which day today? 19th of January 2021. And what is the weather like today? Foggy day. Today is foggy day. And it's your English period. Okay, class, let's have fun with ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, start phonic. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F for fish, for fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H for hen, hen. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for line, line. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pear, pear. Q is for question, question. R for rain, rain. S for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. Okay, class, open your notebook. Today is Tuesday, 19th of January 2021, and today we are going to match the same letters with each other. So kids, are you all ready? So let's start. Okay, so children, we have two lines. One line and this one is second line. 1 and 2. This is the first line and this one is second line. Okay, tell me which letter is this? Capital J and small j. Capital J and small j. And now we find the letter J in second line. Okay, tell me where is the letter J? Here it is. Okay, now match them with the help of slanting line. Like this. Okay, and tell me which letter is this? Capital P and small p. And now we will find the letter P in second line. Here it is. Okay, now match them with the help of slanting line like this. Okay, and now tell me which letter is this? Capital S and small s. Capital S and small s. Okay, let's find the letter S in second line. Letter S. Yes, here it is. Okay, now match them. After letter S, which letter is this? Capital V and small v. Capital V and small v. And where is letter V? Let's find in second line. Here it is. Okay, now match them. Like this. Okay, and tell me where is which letter is this? Capital X and small x. And find And now we will find the letter X in second line. Yes, here it is. Okay, now match them. Like this. Okay, class, now open your workbook. Open page number 78. Okay, and match the same letter. Okay, which letter is this? This is first line and this one is second line. Capital T, and T says ta, teacher, turtle. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is capital R. This is capital R. And where is letter R in second line? Here it is. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, and tell me which letter is this? This is capital Y. And where is capital Y in second line? Here it is. Y says ya. Ya, yacht, ya, yak. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is capital W. And let's find the letter W in second line. Here it is. Wa window and wa wall. Okay, which letter is this? S. And where is the letter S in second line? Here it is. Okay, okay, match them. S is sa. Sa, shoes. Okay, class, complete your work and send me your feedback. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.